I am so in love with my home decor. Let me bring y'all out so y'all can see the full vision. Do you see the vibes in here? Yeah, it's giving luxury with the chandelier. What's up YouTube, it's your boy DJ and I'm back for another vlog. Y'all, this is my home decor reveal vlog. Let's get into it. Alright too, so I've been decorating my house for the past couple of months and I'm just so happy of how it came out. Like my vision literally came to life. Like I really designed the hell out of this house. Like it looks modern, it looks luxury, it looks cozy, it looks comfy. Like I'm just in love. So the color scheme I decided to go with was neutral colors like gray, blue, navy blue. I went with silver. I went with like woods and browns. So you guys are gonna get to see every color detail, every detail that's in my house. So make sure you guys are tuned in and make sure you guys are like, commenting, and subscribing to all my videos. And if you didn't go see the last two series, pause because you're not caught up. You need to go back, then come back and watch this video and you'll be caught up. Alright, let's get into this vlog. So welcome to the Reeves residence. So the last vlog you guys saw, I showed you guys my window ceiling. Now I changed the details and put the pictures together. And then over here I showed you guys how I did my reading luxury nook. I ended up finding this little tree in my garage, but if I update this I will give it to y'all. It's supposed to light up, but I haven't put batteries in there yet, but I'm gonna eventually do that. So I'll give y'all an update if I change it or if I put lights in it. So just make sure you stay tuned. So you guys didn't get to see me decorate this, which is my floating shelves. So I decided one with a white vase, a picture up here, another vase that you're gonna see what's matching. Anyway, before I go any further, peep this detail and then you're gonna see this detail within my house. But anyway, so back to the floating shelves. So right here I did like a little glass vase, a little LED candlelight, candle, LED candle with another vase, and I wrapped the floating shelves with LED motion sensor light. These are motion sensors and I'm gonna show y'all the motion sensors too. Okay, what y'all didn't get to really see how I decorated this, which is my TV area. So I got some artificial flowers, and some vases. Look at this diamond vase. Like, who you know? Who you know? Nobody. Okay, and then I got some candles, little vases up here. So you guys didn't get to see this either. So up here's like I think that's like a decanter. They have baby Jesus. Or that's not baby Jesus, that's an angel. And then you have Absolute Vodka bottle. You have my alma mater right here, Laverne High School, and a little wise elephant on the side. I feel like I just cleaned this vase and it needs to be cleaned again, but it is what it is. I got the Holy Bible in there. I got love in there. I got a vase in here. I got the 3D art in here. And then we got a fun karaoke machine because baby, it's gonna get lit. In here we're gonna be singing, dancing, rapping. Alright, so there is the TV area. Look how neat it is. Okay. Alright y'all, let's continue to watch this vlog. So on this shelf, we did another picture, another vase to match the other side. And also another vase at the top in glass acrylic. Then I did the same thing on this side with another candle. So you see what the vibes is. Duplicate on both sides. Okay. So after that, I showed you guys my wooden basket that I keep my covers in so I can have extra storage. And what you guys didn't get to see is my mirror. So I love this full body mirror, like with the pampas plant. Like how cute is that? And then you guys saw the friends and family gather here. And if you didn't see it, you gotta go back to the last vlog, because I showed you guys just the top half. But now you see the full thing. And I love it. Okay, so on to the next spot, which is, boom, my picture wall. So this is where we really last left off. So I'm gonna insert where I last left off in the last vlog, and then I'm gonna insert this. I'm back home from CVS too. I'm gonna show y'all the pictures I got developed and printed out at the store. I forgot one picture, so I'm gonna have to go back and do it, but I'm so happy with these pictures because we look good. I got all family pictures from my house. So let me show y'all the family pics. So I got the frame down from the wall, and I got the frame ready for the pictures to go in. But I'm gonna show y'all the pictures. So this is I think the oldest picture I have of me and my family, my parents, my twin brother, my sister, my brother. Here's us at Christmas. And this is Diamond. She's so bad. It's so cute. And my my granny. Then my family right here, and this is my papa, granddaddy. And then this is the family again. And then this is the fam again. All these are family pictures. And then this is my sideways pictures. You guys see I'm going long ways, so I'm going sideways. Okay, so that's the picture. Okay, so these are my nieces. Or not nieces, cousins. And this is my uncle and his wife. Okay, this is a throwback for real. So actually this is the oldest picture I got. So this is my granny. Rest in peace, granny, we love you. This is my two beautiful nieces. Okay, this is a recent picture. It's my granddaddy and his wife. Okay. That's the fam. And the fam again. Excuse me, y'all. And I'm gonna tell y'all everywhere where we was at when I hang these pictures up. And this is the fam. This is my sister as well. Leah. Both my sisters. So this is all the pictures that got developed. They all look good. They did a good job. So I have to put them in the frame. Okay, so it turned out so good. Actually, let me turn the lights off so y'all can really see the pictures. Okay, so look how good it looks. I just love it. Okay, moving on. Turn the lights back on. Okay, so I don't think I showed you guys my hallway right here. Let me turn the lights on right here. Okay, but look at this picture. This was originally in my living room and I moved it right here because I needed something right here, and I finally figured out it just needed a picture. And then right here I put a picture, and y'all see the color schemes in here. You see the colors, the blues, browns, grays, whites, navy blues. You see it. Baby, I'm interior designer, okay? And the wood. The woods, you see? The wood, you see? The wood, you see? The wood, you see? The wood, you see? You know, you got to get into it. And then, this is the carpet, okay? So, you remember how I was telling you guys, stay tuned, because you're going to see more of this in the house. So, these are the fringe. They go, like, around my couch. And then, look. Get into it, baby. You cannot play with me. Okay? Get into the details, because it's in the details. So I love my couch. I'll show y'all from this angle. How lovely is my couch. Let me move my ottoman out a little bit. But love. Love, 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 love. Right here's my little smoking area. That little side table right there. So yeah, my house came together. And you know, they got a beautiful chandelier. I don't got no ceiling fan. I don't got no regular light fixture. I have a chandelier, okay? Like, it looks so good. Turn the lights on. Like, do y'all see this? Would y'all live here? Would y'all want to live here? I know I would, if I was you. Like, OMG. Look how cozy it looks. Like, so cozy. Cozy. I love my home, y'all. Love, love, love. And I hope you guys love it too, because I work so hard. And I deserve to live this modern luxury lifestyle. Alright, so now I'm going to show y'all these motion sensor lights. Right now you see the bottom one off. The top one's on because it's on manual and that candle is going. But I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. Alright, so I'm just going to walk by. Y'all going to see it turn on. See? Motion sensor lights. Hey tube, it's the next day, so I want to show y'all what my house look like during the day. So let me show y'all what it looked like. So I'm gonna start from here, my walkway. Looks so good in here. My couch, my picture. Got all the colors in my house. Camera to focus a little bit. There we go. Okay, all the colors that I'm using in my house: the white, gray, blue, the browns, and this is new as well. I put a spotlight up here, just like the one that is up here, for my photo wall. Okay, and I'm editing this vlog to post. But look at everything. My LED censored lights. My reading nook. And you see the furry carpet match the blanket that's on the couch. Yeah, y'all know nobody who know how to put the details together. So I'm so in love with this house. And my full body mirror. I love it. Everything looks so good and neat and clean in here. So I'm gonna close the vlog out. Oh, actually, wait. I gotta show you guys the coolest part about my house. Okay, so I'm gonna open up my phone. I'm so sorry I forgot to show y'all this last night. When it was super dark. But it's this app that I can control my lights. So it was just on the white when y'all first seen it, but you can change it to any color. So if I wanted purple, I can change it purple. If I wanted red, I can change it red. Like, how lit is that? And then it has other like features on here. If I can get the camera to stay focused. Let me see. There we go. All right. So let's see. Like, if you talk, like, you get, that's the best feature. When I talk, the lights move. Like, do y'all see that? Like, that's so lit. So, like, you can have a party in here and the lights will go off by the music. That's why I say rhythm. You can do scenes like pulsating blue. You can do white strobe lights. I need to get a sensor on here. Purple pulsating. It's just so many things on here that you can control and do. You can set it on a timer. Like, it's so much stuff. So that is what I love about my TV. With the LED lights. And that wraps up the home tour of the living room. We still got more series ahead of us because this is just one room and I have way more rooms in this house. So y'all get to see more renovations, more home decor. So stay tuned. Hit the bell to make sure you're notified when I drop more videos. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.